Hello students, good afternoon. Last time when you came, we discussed about matrix, the multiplication of matrix and the division of matrix. Is not it? Okay. So today we shall start the next part of the matrix chapter, that is the transpose of matrix. What is transpose of matrix and how is a matrix transposed? Okay, so this is very fundamental thing you must know before we enter into the deeper side of the matrix and determinants. So what do you mean by transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix means simply interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix. Okay, transpose means if we interchange, if we make the rows of a matrix into the columns of another matrix, then the second matrix is said to be the transpose form of the first matrix. Okay, I repeat, if we change either the rows or the columns of a matrix into another matrix, then the second matrix which is formed by changing these rows and columns, that is the transpose form of the first matrix. Okay, let's take an example. Let's say I have taken a matrix A. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 as you see here. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. Right? Now I want to transpose the matrix. So matrix A is to be transposed. How it will be transposed? Now here I write AT. AT means transpose of A matrix. Okay, AT means you can write AT or you can write A dash also, that's adjustable. So AT is, what we have to do, we have to simply transform the rows into columns. Now if I change the first row, you know, this is the first row, row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, is not it? This is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3. Either I can change the rows or I can change the columns. So let me first change the rows. You see, either you change the rows or columns, it doesn't matter. It has the same result. Now if I change the rows, this is the first row. Now I will write it as the first column, 1, 2, 3. This is the second row. I will write it as second column. This is 4, 5, 6. This is the third row. I will write it as third column. That is 7, 8, 9. Now this is the transpose of the original matrix. So this is AT, transpose of the first matrix. Or I can also do it like this. I can also change the columns into rows. You see, I will change the first column to the first row. I can write like this. I can write the first column 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. This is the first row. Then 2, 5, 8. I write 2, 5, 8. I write the third column as the third row. That is 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. You see, this is the original matrix. I have transposed it into two different ways. You see, the two types of transpose are same. Whether I change the rows into columns or columns into rows, the elements are same or not. You see, this AT and this AT are same. Therefore, in transpose what we do, we simply interchange the rows into columns or columns into rows of the first matrix into another matrix, which you call as the transpose of matrix. Right? Now while you go to transpose a matrix, remember, there we come across two other types of matrix. One is orthogonal matrix. One is orthogonal matrix. Now what is orthogonal matrix? Now orthogonal matrix is a matrix where A into A transpose is equal to 1. a matrix where when a matrix is multiplied with its transpose gives you a unit matrix or identity matrix, then we call it as a orthogonal matrix. Okay, a matrix when it is multiplied with its transpose gives you the result 1. 1 means what? 1 means unit matrix. 1 means unit matrix. Now what is unit matrix? Again, I have told you in the previous classes, what is unit matrix? Unit matrix is one in which all the elements of the measure diagonal are 1. If I say 3 into 3 matrix, so here if I write 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, sorry, this is not 0, this is 1, this is 0 0 0 0 0 1. Now the principal diagonal here is 1 1 1 1. This is called a unit matrix. A matrix where the measure or the principal diagonal elements are 1 is called a unit matrix. Now if you multiply a matrix with its transpose and that gives you 1, that is a unit matrix, we call it as a orthogonal matrix. Now there is another matrix which is called as symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Now symmetric matrix is one in which a matrix is equal to its transpose. That is, it is a matrix where A is equal to A transpose. That is, when you transpose a matrix, it becomes just equal to the original matrix. If that is the case, we call it as a symmetric matrix. Take the example given in your book. Let's say A is equal to 0 1 2, then minus 1 0 3, then minus 2 minus 3 0. Okay, this is one matrix. Let me take the example of another matrix. Let's say 1 2 3 2 4 5, then 3 5 6. These are the two matrices we are taking. Let's say whether this is symmetric or this is symmetric. Let's see. Symmetric means, I told you, if original matrix A is equal to its transpose, that becomes a symmetric matrix. Now this matrix, let us find out its AT. What will be its AT? 0 1 2, 0 1 2, minus 1 0 3, minus 2 minus 3 0. You see, is this matrix equal to this? The first row is 0 1 2, the first row is 0 minus 1 minus 2, the second row is minus 1 0 3, this is 1 0 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 0, 2 3 0. So this here A is not equal to AT. Okay, so here A matrix is not equal to A dash or AT, so is not symmetric. This is not a symmetric matrix. But come to this side, this is matrix A. Let's find out AT. First row, we make it first column, 1 2 3, then 2 4 5, 2 4 5, then 3 5 6, 3 5 6. See here, this is matrix A, this is matrix AT or transpose. The first row is 1 2 3, first row again is 1 2 3, second row is 2 4 5, second row is again is 2 4 5, third row is 3 5 6, third row is again is 3 5 6. So after transpose also, the rows, the columns, the elements remain same. Therefore we call these two matrices as they are symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is all about, this is orthogonal matrix, this is symmetric matrix. Now let us go through some exercises that is given to you in your book about this. Now, if I want to, let me give you, the question is given here, but we have less space here, okay. Let's say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is A and this is B. So now question is given is, find out that A plus B. Question is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now if this is the question, what you will do? Question is, you have been given a matrix A, matrix B. So here is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So you have to find out, this is LHS, this is RHS. First let us find out A plus B transpose. This is A, this is B. So A plus B, we can find out directly. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 8 is 12. Now this is A plus B. Now if I find out A plus B transpose, how much it will be? Let's say 6, 8, I write it 6, 8 here, 10, 12, I write 10, 12 here. So this is LHS. Okay, this is LHS, that is A plus B. This is A plus B transpose is this. The first part of the question was LHS. This is the answer. Now let's come to the RHS, that is A transpose plus B transpose. Now this is A. If I say what is A transpose, then you will say 1, 2 and again 3, 4. If I say B transpose, that becomes 5, 6 and 7, 8. So I have to do A transpose plus B transpose. Now what will be the answer? 1 plus 5 is 6, 3 plus 7 is 10, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 4 plus 8 is 12. This is RHS. You see whether the LHS, this is equal to this or not. LHS is 6, 10, 8, 12. RHS is 6, 10, 8, 12. Okay, this you have to find out. Questions will be given to you. If A is this, B is this, then find out A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so you can take the matrix from your own mind. You can take 3 into 3 matrix from your own mind and you can find out in your own house, get some practice. That is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Whether this statement is true or false. Remember, this is LHS and this is RHS. You have to find out whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So practice it in your house and you find out this in 3 into 3 matrix, not in 2 into 2. Because of lack of time, I have just made it 2 into 2. You make it 3 into 3 in your house and you see if A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, it is true or false. Okay. So this is the first part of this transpose. Tomorrow, if I come, I hope I shall send you another video tomorrow on Sunday. So please watch the videos correctly and see and try to learn from this platform. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.